Hi everyone, my name is Vesna and I'm embroidery artist from Slovenia. I have started to embroider several years ago, and now after I have started, I just know how to stop. You can also find me on Instagram under my embroidery passions, where I share things that inspire me and my latest embroidery projects.
I have learned different types of embroidery from different embroidery masters. Some of these projects are a result of my final work.
What I really love about embroidery is its versatility. You can use any embroidered thread and embroider on a variety of different materials. Fabric, paper, wood. You can try it and you will see the final result. I would like to invite you to my course. In this class we will learn how to transfer these beautiful patterns to our paper, which threads to use. I will give you my suggestions, needles, and of course in the end
Our finished projects.
I can't wait to meet you in the class.